As simple as it sounds, 9 out of 10 people have no idea what money is. But hopefully, after posting this video, we're gonna help in decreasing that number. Welcome back to another video. This is Val from Broke to Hero, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you were to ask people around you what is money, most of them will give you this answer. Well, money is... it's money, right? But if you were to ask them what is a lemon, you would probably get a different kind of answer. A lemon is a sour citric fruit which grows in lemon trees. Now, in order to fully understand money, we need to travel back in time a couple of millenniums ago when money wasn't around. People back then, they were providing their food themselves. If they were lacking beans, let's say, they could have easily traded their neighbor 2 watermelons for a bag of beans. Easy, right? Fast forwarding, precious metals became an important item in trading to cover some important aspects of life. Let's say you wanted to trade a land. Would you sell it for 10,000 watermelons? What can you even do with 10,000 watermelons? I mean, I like watermelons, but not that much. But what you could do is sell your land for a big piece of gold, which is unanimously accepted by the society as being useful, therefore valuable. Problem solved? Well, not really. Because to think of it, if you own a big piece of gold is really practical, but on the other hand, when you are going to buy 2 eggs with it from the market, well... okay, there you go, your 2 eggs. Well, yeah, but where's my change? Let me see, you can have my store, 2 donkeys, 20 bags of potatoes, and a rusty shovel. What do you say? So afterwards, the banks came in to solve all the other problems mentioned before, or at least it seemed that way. Banks started collecting gold and silver, and in return they were giving paper money to back up their precious metals. The deal was that whoever wanted back their gold and silver could just bring back the bills given to them previously. Well, that sounds like a great solution, right? Well, in theory it does, but imagine this scenario happening nowadays. Hello! In 1937, my grandma came at this bank and brought a big piece of gold. She was a really nice lady, golden tooth, around this height. Sounds familiar? Anyway, I brought the money, let me have my gold back. It seems that you have no idea what I'm talking about. Do you mind searching in the bag there, maybe somewhere? Get out! You've guessed it. In the US, for instance, a couple of decades ago, the US government announced that the old deal is off, meaning that you cannot take back your gold and silver anymore. But at least you have a bunch of paper money. So what does that mean? Well, it means that from that moment on, money wasn't backed up by gold and silver anymore. Okay, what is it backed by? Nothing else but thin air trust. That means that I accept fixing your roof in exchange for a paper with some digits on it. Now, if I take the same paper, put it in my pocket and go to the supermarket with it, I trust them accepting it as well. Also, they know that they can pay their suppliers, so they accept it too, and so on and so forth. So what's wrong with that? It seems legit, right? Not really. Because the supply of precious metals is capped at the number of tons that exist on planet Earth. On the other hand, the paper money is easily controlled by governments. They can just print more of it, making the dollar lose its purchase power, which is known as inflation. To back up what I've previously said, the value of gold and silver is consistently growing. On the other hand, for buying a pound of bread in 1940, you would have needed a whopping 8 cents, which would have made 50 cents look rich if you lived back then. That same quantity of bread nowadays is going towards $1.50. That's an insignificant 1900% increase in price. So to wrap up this video, as promised, I will deliver my definition of money. Money is a bunch of papers or digits on a server which is unanimously accepted for purchases and services backed up only by social trust. If you found this video useful, please consider hitting the like button, as that would help me improve my channel and improve my videos as well. What's your definition of money? Let me know that in the comment section below. Until the next one, respect.